Connecting. Okay, Itlog, when you are ready, go ahead. Nag-isip pa siya ng script.
Hello, YouTubers. You're watching DS Games Philippines, and we're playing Love Letter with Kill Uncle, Skido Levino, Itlog, and our moderator Sandman. He's playing today. Oh my God! Time to kill him. Take it away, Sandman.
Thank you very much. Yes. I am playing Love Letter Pano. We are using this free site na parang tabletop simulator, netgames.io. Again, unsolicited po yan. Baka netgames.io, baka naman. But check nyo na lang sa description below. Check their website. You can play games like Spyfall, Avalon, and Love Letter. Madali lang siya. We are playing the game Love Letter. Nakaka 2 games na po kami. 1 point Itlog, 1 point Kill Uncle, first to 4 points. It is Kill Uncle's turn since he won.
Yes, thank you. And I am discarding.
Gagamitin na kagad ang priest card on.
Let's see. On
myself. Okay, alam na ni Kill Uncle ang card ko. Yes, I feel attacked. Okay,
influenced by the intro.
Okay, thank you.
Come
at me.
I am gonna use my guard card on Kill Uncle.
At me. You will?
He is not the princess. Sayang. Okay. It is Skido's turn.
Guard.
Skiddo uses the guard on Itlog.
Princess. I hope you have it.
Itlog is not the princess as well. At least not as of the moment. Itlog's turn right now.
Yan,
Itlog, nag-handmade. Protected siya for 1 round. Go ahead. 1 round protected. It is Kill Uncle's turn now.
I will.
Yes.
Okay, I will discard.
Wow, he's thinking hard.
Nag-handmade siya. Protected siya for 1 round din.
Wow!
Kinakabahan ako na. I have to use this. Baka makakuha ng guard card si Kill Uncle eh. I have to use it na. Sorry, Skido.
I'm gonna die again!
Guard ka na naman, Skido.
I have no choice. Nakaprotect sila pa rin. I'm using my Baron card on Skido. Skido was the princess.
Mukhang may nihawak ng princess.
Let's see. It is Itlog's turn now.
Ano ginawa mo, Itlog?
Princess.
Sorry,
Princess or king lang naman, di ba?
Itlog is using the guard card.
You're guarding
default sa akin talaga siya.
If hindi ka princess, paki-guard king na.
So, contest ka. Contest ka, ibig sabihin. Interesting.
Maybe.
Contest si Itlog.
Dead.
You know, I'm trying my best to hold it in when it's clicking.
Dead again.
Okay, I'm just starting Itlog, ikaw lang pwede.
Uncle using the guard card on Itlog. Think about it. Hindi ko nakita card niya. Think about it. Click mo muna Itlog.
Okay.
Uncle.
Okay.
Yes.
Why are you so mad?
The king. Long is not the king. Either way, mag-2 points na sila.
Wait, okay.
It is Itlog's turn.
Wait, dalawa na lang ba tayo?
Dalawa lang kaya.
Talaga? Yay!
Itlog using Baron. Tapos na po to. Baron on Kill Uncle. Guard lang ang kay Kill Uncle. And yes, hindi nakalimutan ni Kill Uncle. Countess.
I was so shocked. Like, why did he choose Countess? That's like the second highest card. I was like, why did he choose King?
Nung si Itlog, wala niyang card. Sinabi niya, King lang yan or Princess. King lang yan or Princess. wala.
Kasi nasayang yung contest.
Yakit himself there.
Okay lang yan.
So shocked.
Okay lang. Bad trip. Okay, well, it is what it is. Itlog, 2 points na siya.
Nice
First to 4 to. Good job. Dahil doon, Itlog, paki-close yung game. Bad trip. Pinatay naman ako nito.
And that was another game of Love Letter. Of course, napatay ko na naman si Sandman. And if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification button. Then comment below if you want to join. Goodbye.